metallic sigh, a symphony for just the lost and lone. I watch the taillights as the taxis fly, and wonder if I'll ever find my home. This love I carried, heavy, unafraid, now drowns in tears the lonely rain has shed.